Because akazwa phela next
Hlobo.
Akezwa next ngiyakutshela nje ukuthi ngoba sisebenzisa amasayini even noma afuna ucansi sesebenzisa amasayini ukuthi siyalala hayi ngeke
Safa sapheli sizwe simnyama uhosa Wosafa isizwe sabantsundu kanitsheleni inkokheli zenu zisilamulele kuloluda safa sapheli isizwe simnyama Wosafa isizwe sabantsundu kanitsheleni inkokheli zenu zisilamulele iyo kuloludaba Wosafa isizwe sabantsundu kanitsheleni inkokheli zenu zisilamulele iyo kuloludaba freedom tomorrow Kingdom is coming tomorrow. Yeah, welcome to another beautiful episode of Yanjolela khona la on Duyaza TV. Mangaba wa subscribe usenkingeni ukuphuthelwa iyo lento engiqeda ukuyenza njengamanje. Subscribe, like, comment, share and let us know ukuthi ucabangani ngomsebenzi omuhle enisenzela wona. Ngane zakwethu siyayibonga support, siyalibonga uxhaso lwenu ngoba ngaphandle kwenu asiyilutha siyindawo. Qhubekani support bafethu soqhubeka sinilethele umsebenzi omuhle. Ngithi kuwe siniphiwe ngokusho kanjalo. Gcintshintshintshi vum nje vum. Sasiphinde sabuya ke ngane zakwethu njengenjwayelo angizukuba mude kakhulu. Ngizoba mfishane. Bafowethu sithola olunye udaba lana. Manje udaba lakhona umuntu okay, ngicela ungayichazi le. Ngifuna ukuthi uyizwele wena. Uma ngabe uzoyizwa, ngoba mina angizwanga. Uma ngabe uzoyizwa kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi lo muntu unenkinga. My brother, please come. My brother, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine. My name is Welcome. What's your name?
My name is Ernest Mali. Ernest Mali.
Okay, Ernest, we are here today. You called us, you wrote to us. We are here. We came to try and help you.
Yes.
Me, I know what's happening. People at home, they don't know what's happening. Please, can you please tell the people why we are here?
Okay. I'm here to searching money because my country is poor. So I'm here to introduce about how I can live in South Africa. Okay. Kumano singanene zambili nendi nenchewa. Nchewa nachoka kwathu kumlawi kubera kunoko kuzafuna ntchito sinanga ntchito kwathu kunzosowa ambiri sinaphunzira. Then nabwera kunoko napeza nzanga nzimayi nwako kuno South Africa. Then nzimayi yona yesu kuti mathandizana paliana. Then nzimayi kuti esanga khali ni nzimayi zake. Sinanga amafuna mamuna ngati bambo ine nzisamala nawo. Chifukwa chake nili kuno nufuna zintchito kuti nine tizikhali mmodzi. Ndithu umuntu wankulu.
Okay. Okay. So you are saying that the woman that you are dating, she's dating another woman.
Yes.
How did you find out?
Mene ningapangile ine njira imene nimaziwira ine kuti nkazi akauti esali bwino basa zikakhaso ninkazi nzake mpovuta kwambiri. Ofunika kuti nkazi azikhane mamuna fika mamuna akamagwira ntchito amathandiza pakhomo nkazi.
Okay.
Nkazi amakhanyana pa nyumba paja fika mamuna umakhauti kuti uli ku ntchito ogwira gwira. Ukamabwera kuja ukalandira kajumba kaja umabweresa kwa nkazi kuti anandani namene azigwisa ntchito pa nyumba paja.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, my brother,
yes.
May I understand you? I know people are confused. Me, I'm not confused. I understand. I know what you are saying. So, let me ask you this question. Have you sat down with this woman and asked her about the woman that she's dating? What did she say? She say to you?
The woman what?
The woman that you are dating. Did you sit down with her and ask her that why is she dating another woman?
Okay. Nchidwa wake nokuti nkazi nzake sanga khali mthayo yaitali. Fika nkazi amafuna mamuna sinanga magazi amakhauta uthamanga Yeah, ndenkazi nenkazi zake mpovuta kuti athandizana. Yeah, umafunika kuti mamuna ukhale ndi mbali yako, nkazi naso zikhale mbali yake. Ndemukakumana pamodzi makhanga ndi muthandizana mmene chiti chilengedwe. Yeah, sinanga nkazi amafuna mamuna amafuna nkazi. Yeah, ndesimungakhala akazi nokha nthawi yayitali. Umafunika nkazi azikhale mamuna uzikhalaswa ndi nkazi.
Okay. So my brother,
yes.
You and this woman you are dating now, do you guys have children or a kid?
Ndinyana kumaana na wili.
Na wili? Ha. Do you stay together?
We are staying together. So.
Okay, so how do you want me to help you today?
The way you can get to help me. Okay. Nene chonchi. Njira mene ningafune ineyo kuti munthandizeko. Ineyo kunoko ndine mlendo. Ndeni ulendo wanga ni chilendo wanga mene makhalira kunoko. Chito zambiri suzuyenda fika kufuna mapepa. Taonaso ngani hapa 30 June. Kuti thamangisa kuti fe mafolena atizipita. Ndefe tikamapita mafolena anawa ati asiya konkuna. Amene azithandiza anawa ndani. You see?
Eish. Yeah, your problem is very difficult. It's difficult, I understand. But now, my brother, are you working at the moment?
I'm working, but not permanent work.
Not permanent.
It's a piece job.
I understand.
Yes.
So now I will call this woman to come here so that we can hear her side of the story.
Okay.
At the end of the day, she has to decide. She has to choose. What if she chooses that woman and do not choose you? What will you do? If she decides to go ahead and date that woman and leave you, what will you do?
Kuti nkazi anisiye ine atengeso nenkazi nzake. Apopo ndiye mpovuta kwambiri. Mpovuta kwambiri. Kuti asiye ineyo atenge nkazi nzake. Nkazi nzake uja naye sangakagwire ntchito kuja. Sangatani iye niwongolandilira kuchokera kwa ife azimunafe. Muona. Ndithu.
No, ngiyakuzwisisa my brother. Thank you.
Thank you.
I understand your story and I feel it.
Okay.
And I know it. I'm happy that you expressed yourself with your language. I know people are confused. Let them be confused. Me, I don't. Me, I understand you. I know. So this is what we'll do now. I'll call you a woman to come here, to come and explain herself. Let us know why she's doing what she's doing.
Okay.
Yeah. Me, I don't play. I'm here. Today you learn, you people, you learn something that you don't know. I've been telling you that me, I'm very dangerous when it comes to languages. Me, I speak every language. Don't play with me. Now, she's gonna answer the phone. When she answers the phone, tell her that you are here. She must come.
Okay.
Loudspeaker.
Hey, hello my woman. Hey, come, I'm here.
Okay, kuluma nobani.
Ukhuluma indoda yakho ne.
Kuluma nobani.
Ukhuluma indoda yakho ne.
Okay,
come. Sure.
Yes.
Thank you. Yeah. So, my brother, please, because I don't want people to laugh at me. You know, I don't want people to laugh at me. Now, I know that me, I understand your language, but there are words that I don't understand and I don't know. How do you say I love you in your language?
Ndimakukonda. Ndimakukonda.
Ndimakukonda.
Yeah, ndimakukonda.
Ndimakukonda.
Yes.
Now, how do you say you are my brother?
You are my brother.
Yes.
Yeah, chimozi chikozana kuti mkuru wanga.
Mkuru wanga. So wena mkuru wanga.
Yeah.
Wena mkuru wanga.
Yes.
Imakukunde mkuru wanga.
Nimakukonda mkuru wanga.
Danko. Uyelo.
Yeah.
Siswa ngicela uzoma ngapha sisi. Sawubona mama.
Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Ngiyaphila nami.
Ukhuluma no welcome kwaZana noma sibona. Ukhuluma nobani?
Ukhuluma lo Khethi Dube.
Udube.
Yeah.
Uyamazi ubhuti?
Yeah, ngiyamazi.
Umazi kanjani?
Ngimazi ukuthi ngoba siyazwana mina naye.
Okay.
Ngiphila naye, sengiphile naye nje isikhathi.
Okay.
Yeah.
So ngicela ukubuza sisi wami mangabe wena nobhuti seninesikhathi niphila ndawonye. Uma ngabe ngiyazi ukuthi kuma relationship inkinga ziba khona. Yini mhlawumbe uyenze wena njengomuntu wesifazane manihlangabezana nenkinga nilungisa kanjani?
Masihlangana neyinkinga kanjani mara inkinga yena iproblem yakhe aka-understand ilanguage so ilanguage ayikhulumayo mina angiyazi so angazi noma ukhulumana angazi nje noma maye ekhuluma nje ukuthi uthina ngimuzwa nje sidalwa total angizwa next nje ayikhulumayo so mina naye angikhona ukuthi ngikhulume naye silungise ezinye izinto kumele sizilungise in future just because akezwa nje anything enasidalwa uthi yena ukhuluma isitshewa mana lesitshewa leso mina angis understand serious but wami ngi-understand nje angizwa nokuthi uthini.
Sisi wami wena isitshewa mangaba awusazi mina isitshewa ngiyasazi ngikhuluma isitshewa vele isitshewa wena mangaba awusazi nikhetha kanjani wakushela kanjani?
Eish lo muntu usahlangana wangishela like lami ngavuma lokhano ukuthi ngangimbona njengoguy alright ngibona ukuthi lo muntu sokhona ukuthi siphile sonke but ngithe mase ngihlalile maybe 1 week ngabona ukuthi lo muntu angima understand mina ukuthi you know ma umuntu lifesana lonke but akutshela ukuthi sisi ngiyakuthanda you know ne la uzoshesha vele lawe ma umuntu umfile egazini uzoshesha umvume lo muntu yabona so mina bengazi ukuthi lento izonthwalisa nzima ngoba ayamphazamisa sira semqondweni because aka understand next and
isitshewa nje waya
isitshewa kuphela akazi English akazi isiZulu akazi isindebele next
mana mayifuna ucansi uthini
budwami le ndaba ne inzima kabi ngasendlini yethu cause maye engumuntu la ocela ucansi sesenza like ukukhuluma ngama-sign sesebenzisa i-sign language so inzima serious lento imphatha kabuhlungu budwami ngimthandile ngenhliziyo yami yonke but iproblem ilanguage kuphela.
Okay sisi wami ubhuti njengoba ekubizile la unenkinga naye anayo uyakhala that's why ngibizile my brother she's here I want you to tell her why you called me the reason why we are here I want you to tell her please speak Sichewa me I understand I'll tell her
to speak what
speak Sichewa yeah with me but telling her why she's here.
Okay,
you have this thing here Mike we can talk.
Okay. Nde uli pano wabwera wewe kuzatana
njengoba ulana nginenkinga nawe
panopa wabwera kuzatana wende ufuna chani panopa iwe ndi wenkazi wanga wabwera kuno kumaganizo wako ndotani
uthi ubhuti unenkinga yokuthi wena naye niyathandana kodwa manje usetholile ukuthi wena sekunomuntu wesifazane omunye othandana naye.
Yo yazi bhuti wami lento yebo ngiyayivuma ngiyayenza cause ama feelings ami sephuma kuyena cause angimuzwa phela ukuthi uthina understandani so that's why mina ngicine ngazama ukuthi ngidinge omunye umuntu enzokhona ukuthi ngiphile laye cause bhuti lento le imfaka istress serious angazi serious imfaka istress angazi nje ukuthi ngenzeni ngalo bhuti mara ngimthandile ngenhliziyo yami but manje ama feelings ami awekho nje kuye ngitsho cause akazwa phela next ilenzo akezwa next ngiyakutshela nje ukuthi ngoba sisebenzisa ama-sign even noma afuna ucansi sesisebenzisa ama-sign ukuthi siyalala hayi ngeke.
My brother what she's saying is that you are crazy she doesn't love you anymore she doesn't care about you anymore the reason why she's doing what she's doing is because you have failed to teach her how to speak Sichewa that's why she's dating another woman.
Okay chifukwa choti nesimathawu yankhula chankhulo chake chifukwa chake afuna swakata ngenkazi wina
so uthi ubona kungcono ukuthi wena umenza isilima hambe uyojola nomunye umuntu awubona ukuthi umjwayela kabi lento yenzayo
mara ayinone ukuthi into lebengazi vele ukuthi kuye mayifika izofika ibe yinto ebuhlungu ne but anginayo choice kwamele ukuthi ngenzeni muzi awukhoni nje nokukhuluma so kumele ukuthi ngenzeni ngoba unjela ngesichewa angisazi nesichewa leso noma sisukaphi siyapha ngizwa next so kwamele ukuthi ngenzeni hayibo ngimutsha phela igazi lami liyagijima bafethu so kumele ngenzeni that's why ngidinga omunye umuntu.
My brother, she's complaining that the language barrier between you two guys is a problem. You speak Chichewa, she speak Ndebele or Sizulu, so you guys don't understand each other. Even if you want to this thing, you know this thing. Even if you want to do this thing, what you do is, mom, you do this thing. You want use a sign language. So now she's tired of that because now she's just wasting her time with you. But now you have to understand that she has chosen to go and date another woman because she's no longer have feelings for you.
Okay, nimene wanenela kuti yakho zonisa ine fayodi sutuvana jankulide fayodi mango gwisa nchiro masaini apo vuto nlali kulu kwambiri fika nkazi nzake yolo zimene amapanga ndini nkazi yosanga akapange ndiye mafunika be ineyo pambali kuti zikhanga tutani tugwiriza nayeso aziniphuzisa ineso ndizimphuzisa chakwathu kuti tizivana bwino bwino.
Let me tell you siswami uthi lento yenzayo ngizisubhlungu ayimphathi kahle njengendoda kodwa ke manje akana choice futhi uya understand ukuthi wena awusenawo ama feelings wakhe ayikho into azoyenza ukuthi uqhubeke ujole naye akeze ukuphoqa ngenkani mangabe uzizwa ukuthi awusafuna ujola naye.
Okay budami I know vele ukuthi ujole nomuntu inhliziyo yakhe ingasekho kuye vele khona hayi akwenzi impela makuyikuthi yena engasena engela nkinga nakho lami ngakujabulela lokho because lama ayikho nje enye indlela ebengayenzi but ayisikho ukuthi bengimzonda bengimtreata kabi uyazi naye yonke into bengimenzela kahle just nje into esiphazamisayo ilanguage that's why mina ngidinga omunye umuntu.
Okay siswami ngiyakuzwa njengoba lo muntu lona ungamphikanga ngiyakujabulela lokho ngicela ukuthi kumbiza naye eze la naye akhulume indaba yakhe sizoza ukuthi uthini siswami ngicela uze ngicela umela siswami phakathi nendawo umelana nesiswami sawubona mama uyaphila siswami ngicela ume kanje ubhekele here uyaphila mama
uyaphila kanjani
hayi lina kidinga neso kinale abuti la abuti owalla ulla kamsado hayi msado hakhe u ari wena ujola limsado hayi
kwa hayi ake kala hitwa yoda wa hayi be yakwa kayo haswa hayi
wona no satsi buruna limonna
ake tsiki next
ha u jwetse buruna limonna
ha bua next ake tsiki kala utona ba
siswami kanti uyiqinisa ukhuluma
Aske siyazidali la sokunendaba la umuntu wami usekwazi ukuthi mina ngijola nawe so mina ngigcine ngimtshela le ndaba yethu esiyenzayo because ngamtshela because aka understand language angisizwa lesitshewa sakhe asikhulumayo so that's why mina ngimtshelile iqiniso ukuthi hayi mina sengithola umuntu uyabona engizophila laye ngoba yena indaba yakhe ayisekho aka understand phela lesitshewa sakhe angisizwa nje sidalwa total angizwa next
Tela wena unor uyetsang ha utlojola le motho e leng hore ha utlela language ya hae jwa go tsenena ba mo sa utlela language hae
jola kanjani umuntu ongayizi language yakhe
kunzima yazisi sometimes uyazi nawe vele even noma uhlangana lo muntu akushele nawe umbone ukuthi nguguy nje alright nje obonayo la uthi uzophila naye but uyabungazi ukuthi phambili kuzoba njani because umuntu mawuthandana naye angithi uyamfila ngasegazini so lo muntu lami ngamfila ngasegazini ngajola naye but bengingazi ukuthi nje kuzanhlupha sidalwa because manje angi worried serious and le khanda yazi yo yangistressa le ndaba serious
yo uyaphuma uyena oyenzani
ngidecide ukuphuma kuyena vele ngicontinue nawe ngoba nawe mina nawe nje siphila kamnandi nje uyazi nawe ngiyakuthanda you know
webuthi ay abuthi haphume he umthwaka mthwaka kwaka haphume
ngiyakuthanda musi uyazi nawe
these two women what they are saying now is that they don't care about you. What they are going to do is to continue dating each other. whatever you decide to do, it's your own. They don't care. They've chosen themselves, so they're gonna continue to date themselves.
Okay. Ine chimene nganene mmene wanenera iweyo kuti wapeza sonzanga winayo kuti uzikhana ine vuto palibe chithandizo nizikupasa chilichonse chimene achipeza ine nizikupasa chifukwa ine singasiye kukonda.
Okay, let me translate. Siswami ubhuti akekho right uhethekile uthi lento yenze kuyena na uhambe phambili bazokuthola abanye bazoyenza kwena.
Hesh ngiyamuzwa yena mara ukhuluma ngenhliziyo ebuhlungu mara kuphelile mina le into yakhe le aseyifaka le ukuthi wathi kuzoyenzakalana hayi ngeke serious ngoba mina umuntu vele mina sengimkhethile nguye lo nguye ubhebhe wami ngiyamthanda serious uyazi naye futhi. Kube right babe.
Toba sharp baby.
Ngicela ngiphindele lento ade niyenza manje.
Wophindela ndaba.
Ngicela ngiphindele lento ade niyenza manje.
Futhi.
Okay. All right. So ufuna ukubona. Okay. Kube right. Sharp.
My brother, do you see what is happening?
Yeah, I see what happened.
So please don't bother yourself again. Don't chase after her. She has decided that she's going to date this woman. So please, it's over. Just leave it like that because it's not gonna work again. Please, for your own happiness, for your own sanity, for your own peace of mind, please leave her.
Okay, ani mmene wapangira yeye chisankho ni chake ineso nibe nayeso ntchito nizipanga zanga pa ineneka sintengera kuti yeye ni wanga kapena ti makondana kapena ti matani yeye ngati wanisa ine wapeza nzanga palibe vuto linalilonse ineso nizipanga zanga.
Uthi ubhuti yazini lento enenzayo uyayibona futhi iyamkwatisa kodwa akanandaba ngoba wena usukhetha usisi isinqumo sakho leso ningaqhubeka nijole nobabili.
Vele re a jola hana taba ha tsama. Kona go tsela pele ka life ya go nona jwalo.
Ha le ka tsamaya.
Tasha ba ba bang pele.
Ha le ka tsamaya le two tsamayang. Le two tsamayang. My brother.
Yes.
I want to say thank you for what you did. Because if it was another man, they were gonna raise hand and they were gonna get arrested. As a man, you don't beat women. If they decide to leave you, they leave you. You leave them. You understand?
Don't do anymore.
Yes, you leave them. You'll find another one that is suitable for you. You are a man. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
So thank you for coming. I'm happy that I was able to help you.
Yes.
To see and to confront this woman and to talk to her.
Yes.
Thank you so much, my brother.
Thank you.
Let me take what is mine. Let me take this so that I will let you go. Thank you. You can go, my brother. Ne? Sure. Hey, tada. Oh, yeah. Anisazi ishewa nina ishewa anisazi mina ngiyasazi mangaqala ngikhuluma ishewa manje kuzoba inkingi kodwa nje ngiyanekela ake ngize ngisikhuluma but anyway nibonile nizwile akukho okuningi engizokusho gcintshintshintshi vum gona kanje.